Ebusiafo ma nyina akwa ba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusiafo yako NSM no way.
Ebusiafo, many of the people who today are standing against NPP and they are enjoying from NPP policies. Munim say, yeah, mami Vivian Jill. Vivian Jill na Kuma Wood. Despite all the things she has said at the tia NPP, campaigns are why at the tia NPP in Nano. And Vivian Jill, one of the places she's eating at, a school feeding. Munim sa. Yeah. One of the places where Vivian Jill is eating at, and now I mean no kasa. I any business. I want me nyasika efrem no. School feeding program no. Na ye bisa say school feeding program no. One edi buy. Aban ben edi buy. Party ben edi buy. And your guess is as fine as mine. A new patriotic party under President John Agyekum Kufuor that brought the school feeding program. One hot meal per day for our school children. And a lot of people, just because of ignorance or sometimes because of their selfish interest, get up trying to poo-poo the progress that NPP has made with Ghana's development, Ghana's growth. But they forget, say, one way or the other, no, they always come back to enjoy the fruit of NPP's policies. And now NDC for power, no, Omo appointed 16 regional drip coordinators. Yeah. They've appointed 16 regional drip coordinators. Machines are NPP say, let's use to do our roads of various constituencies. No, machines. No, we didn't appoint coordinators for it. And this is for appointed regional coordinators. And then Vanderpoy, and then he is the national coordinator of DRIP. And we NPP always bring policies, we always bring innovation, and even those innovations serve as ways of giving NDC for employment when they come into power. Ubesa who say, okay, so far, NDC for Maba power, no, what have they brought that is going to outlive Omutenya? Zero. What have NDC brought that is going to outlive John Mohammed's 4 years tenure? Zero. Ino rie amene. Ome konareke koveo. Oma fashi ambasa. Yeah. So they are always living on the ingenuity of NPP. NDC is always living on the ingenuity of NPP. And they say, yeah, NPP for if you will not do deep thinking to bring anything newer, and yeah, Ghana will be at a standstill. Because we cannot rely on our friends from the NDC to do that. Omunye. They will never. They cannot. It's not in their DNA. Ghana always sees progress under NPP. Yeah. Ghana always sees progress under NPP. Now let's go to our main issue. Bank of Ghana. Koboka. Ebusiamfo. Look, last time I came here, I said something that I want to reiterate. I've said that me Amiti Hano, I always pray for John Mahama to succeed. That is always my prayer. Sir, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will succeed as Oman Penny. Because if John Mahama does not succeed, it does not add anything to me. I don't gain anything praying against John Mahama. I don't gain anything. And to me, John Mahama. Okay? Because Oman year is for the benefit for all of us. But it seems the more we pray for John Mahama to succeed, the more he himself decides not to succeed. Yeah. I say he's not interested in succeeding because almost everything he's doing, almost everything NDC is doing, all is pointing to the fact that they do not want to succeed. For the first time ever in history, Bank of Ghana, over 70 years of existence, a standard procedure and Bank of Ghana always goes through for their auditing because of the evil things they are doing, because of the attempt to ensure there is no accountability. They are using shortcuts. In 2024, the last year of NPP and Akufo-Addo, Central Bank eboka 9 billion Ghana cedis. Now, ubisa say 9 billion Ghana cedis no adenti na Central Bank eboka. You'll be told there were some extra expenditures that enabled us to move inflation from over 46% thereabout to around 23%. Right? And let me just remind you, our sister AY is contesting again for Northton, a women organizer of NPP, right? We want to maintain her there. She has done quite well. And a car under John Mahama first year, Central Bank now born over 44 billion, which is almost 4 times or even 5 times the car Central Bank no boy under Akufo-Addo last year. Now Bokano instead they will come out clean and come and show to Ghanaians and say, yeah, I had mistake. Maybe we did not figure this well right. We didn't do this one right. Forgive us. We will do better. They instead went to take our gold. Gold, I had to see what say in times of difficulty. They went to sell 15 tons of those gold at 9 billion just to hide a cow marble. Thanks for the gift. Manyami on peboni. Nyami on peboni today.
Penny-forces unu ntokwa kwa onyame nkobi ma obi dwum edede adwum ena unu wasem ka onyame enka bi ma ye kwa abato emfiempi mienu ne aduonu nan mu adwuma ne ayede ya anom se wo mo befa mfi aduonu kra wo mo ntimi se nyame amfa amawo na ban ya ono di free SHS aba be mensin so no ham be ye bitu aso aseme de pad na aba. Does it make sense? Abanya wo no watimi aye agenda 111 OCB wanwie before then we see hospitals 50 and then we after that no wasa the drones with the abase ebia no obi wa kiremasu obi wa amasu obi wa mikromaskora hinsan obi wa savilungu ebia ansa na car no to top autos man sa na kudru ono no awu and intiamfa drones adwene His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia owie ye no ambulance 400 and intinke ya wa kwada to sie so a nkonkyere nyini dia wo no to amnam no nche enti sanka wo ba ya 2016 John Mahama ne NDC begu omo anum ase anka wo ba ya Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia ene NPP be ye ni ye no enka wo no you take off from there afa dia wo ba ya ambulance 400 de chi no wo dia abobo ya emu ya papa enti eja Ghana for the decide ye tiase ye call ye no asase no na bufuo kakra wom onyame adom ye no so ne akere so ana ne opposition betimi de ache ruling government ene se ye bekoso akontokwa ye bekoso de pretop but nyame adom ye hye ye ho so yakọ yi yewura ye His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enye obi afe no oba beye bia hwe o wasum wo man no in his private capacity wasum no man no public Yeah, arguably is the best Bank of Ghana governor ever had. Ghana has had. Osan Ediba vice president, Africa is one of the best, if not the best. Obianim. Yes, Bank of Ghana.
Deputy governor.
And Niamo, yeah. Nanya de Ketwa. Now, so no Sanya Yenianum NDC for document be a mensaka way back in opposition. No? By 2020, they realized they could not come back. The only way out, how many they say, hate and dirty politics. Inti adipa bedi o mind beboa say bia a national cathedral near smoke kujeto dia software tem. No one that's about you traso. Professor Paul Frimpong Manson, Assemblies of God. He's a professor by all standard. Opoku nyinanom. Some of my works, my books, omona ye. Na brantie right from Legon and trust buy and your mama's wedding trade with the Franco foreign affairs. E dia mano. Guoma no mase mo buy am senye. Bibia nim. Yes smart sam jam finom, yes smart sam George nom e dia temwa. Tribal politics sisha himfu biase ekekenti aye na jamo buy. E dia si ankasa. Ye kan ya ma ye kan se ye have to cry about umiadia. Afi de mo ama babonte se nya no kre. Enti nyame adom ye hye nyira no ye yi adwuma. Ye raba umiania de na bawo. One de na ba the dictator man. Papa no nimdia ni adwene economy asemo kan ye no de no ontiase no ontiase because sabi be den economy etima stabilize e wo bra untimi ntu anamon hwe osikasem into adwene kofa gold for oil dey buy.
Okay.
Any gold reserve dey buy. And intino World Bank report, IMF report, Bank of Ghana governor nanum esiama any finance minister nanum asem say the economic recovery started from 2023, and no doubt, we are just recipient of it. And Mobile Obia since independence, Ghana gold in Yano, a year less than 8 tons. Yeah, the call 32 tons. Mobile ya. Esiba Sashiadi, Esiaton, Nasabi Obai, my OTSCA, Nakosi, Minia Cocoa team, Brapeni, Wamo Sika, SSAB General Manager. So one need that for more on to Tony Mayi. Nana and Sape, Maton go dinamo baya head your moye. Enti andaba umiani smamoka gu no sonia dia dinyano, and no nyame, and not your mama no anum ton say, and not yet. Said digitalization is one of the most effective ways to fight corruption. Baumia Jennifer Kain, because a bad corruptioner, NPP are buying since independence, yet me put 2 structures to fight it. Ayanyama miensa. Near the kind, say a prato so we are chromophobia bit macabi. Nembum, a dear na woye, PNDC, NDC, almost free, say 1979, 82 Benjano, okay, a prato, so woman a quaku timbeto or more, Kiaboni too. Near the atonoso, one document back when they say they should hate those people who are rich.
Documents.
Yes, I have all those things there. And near man, this is for planning yapa. Our 2020 near Sieti honum. Near to na yen society honum ye kenyano, na ken ufuriata and swababa the name. The more ban and then is with a he being. Among sma ye, sika here, but any pa ye. So ya man, you need not bet me a coup anymore. A series, and no pay me by me inside will be a minute to quam dema. There's papa. What's saying?
Was simple.
Nyametiasi. So tiasi. Yeni payo. Today's politics. Manua tipa minim kasa makongu school ni adi. Kasa bienwa meka ebeche ni paye.
No correct. Ni pede.
Ni pede. Actually minya.
Huni ni paya. Esisi wo niama bi.
Actually minya brana meba. Na ye share from the sociological point of view. You heard the components of a holistic human being or a balanced person. The relationship aspect, very important. Research upon research. And yes, yet now I can overreact and away, and then be free. And never umiana near the noba. Papa no amuka say, and then your mama dear, on yam coupon, I can software be so on a man after God's own heart. No, and ne, on one the kanchima, and the dear software tem.
But all end of the over retract the kanchima, I can't cast so much say or yempana.
Oh, nam castle 20 animal, and you fetch me. Okay. You nam castle 20 animal. Name of the fan from Mamma, dear said, etifo.
And the oche sign.
Matria sign.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Yes. Koko says the kasa chiribo ni chirifo a. What na be boom.
Well, be boy man.
Because nante sa dia Obahima. Yellow Zebra, he was my junior, though I am my elder brother. After see a year Legon, many Jilos and I near call Adom Community 12. Some refia pokuam na neho. Many me nunya na near call. Munya na moho. He's a friend. Now wakwe chief of staff. Na Bible say ni da so hotia oba. Your mama ba ya also arrogance. What the code of ethics abetuo na ba you akotena wo. No mean a church than Pentecostal. Opoku nyinanom. Yamechenom. They are men of God. And Pentecostals enya ordinary church o. Kokaswa na kotwe kro machichere wo nom. Na otiwo udi ba omiate o. Ba omia yesu bi oyesu ba. Come on, lady wo muade. Omuade.
Papacho.
Anything Sagana for say. Adia man nyame bufu ye no. Onyankopon yo bia owo abotre no donima. Say Adam gitum say rade fa cheme. Ana wan koye so pushy and cocky. And okoye say oba na ode ne ka me ho no a. That's what Ghana for say. Omuade o je na ya. Owi ade atia no control say NPP one year shepo. Entina dumsaba. Abaywe di ba omi atem sam na adwon mama de. Abaywe di na Kufuado atem LGBT no ko ye bi. Oba de kasabi sebi. Ghana ha ye kan amanyesem no ye hunu ma pa o. Hwa Kunadu agima na ni na edin ba na no nye ya sa o. Gladys Asma. Christian Chacha. Ameletego. Empo ama benyu do. Eya me no mo shase 2006. They were women of substance. As you stoop so low. Wako diatma ke kan sma wie no aba na nyabotre ne pa chewa. Oba o maye num. Ona wo se wo kunu. Ene eni kunu de odagem. Oti agugu ho nyina atwade o. Enyame ama o se ya. Oba ma menka mekrata ba ko mepe na me dia ba.
In a minute wrap up na fe yen hye ne nkomo na se.